Hi, this is Franklin Marshall. I'm with Festa Coffee, and we are going to be doing an example of our pizza crepe today. And one of the pizza crepes that we love and people love is our pesto with garlic and with mushrooms and tomatoes. And so this is so exciting. And here we go. We have our batter, our special batter that we make. And I'm going to put that on, and I have my spreading tool here. And so we're going to make a nice mushroom pizza crepe. And I try to, as I always say, get to the batter real quick, to spin it around. You see that it's really smooth, and you see it's starting to streak a little bit. But what I do is I flip the tool over and go the opposite direction, just to smooth that out. See, we have a nice, that's a perfect circle almost. So here we go, it's nice and it's starting to crisp. So we're gonna flip that over and let that get nice and toasty on the other side, enough so that we can start to put all the ingredients in and fold it over. Man, that is so beautiful. And here we go, we're gonna do some, oh, look at that pesto. Wow, I know I was in Chicago, they have a deep pan pizza. My daughter was so enthralled with having some of that deep pan pizza. We went over to have some, and I had never had any before, but it was a thick pizza, probably about two inch thick, 2 or 3 inches thick. And it was really delicious. So we want to make sure our pizza here, our pesto and mushroom and tomato pizza here, we're going to dry it out really nicely, so when we put everything on, it will not get soggy. So that's one of the things with doing a pizza crepe, because our batter is so thin, we want to make sure it stays nice and crisp. Well, we're going to put our cheese on first. Our mozzarella cheese, and you can see the crepe is starting to puckle a little bit, and so we're gonna go ahead and put our mushrooms on, and those mushrooms have sauteed, and they look nice and sauteed, and we normally do them in butter and garlic, get them all tasting extremely delicious. And this is going to add a little bit of color and moisture to the crepe. So we, as I said, we want to take the batter and make sure that the batter is nice and crisp enough so we don't lose anything. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little more cheese on top of that, just to kind of glue all of that stuff together. I don't want to get too much on there normally, but I want to glue these items together into everything else. So we're going to flip this and get it set so that we can start folding the pizza crepe for the pesto and mushroom. We're going to do it at an angle here so you can hear the crispiness in it. And here we go. You see this is starting to crack. It's cracking a little bit here, but that's good. I'm going to flip it over just to see how crispy that is. Nice and crisp, and it's a lot of fun eating it when it's nice and crispy and cheesy and pesto-y. Now this one is another one that we made early on. This is our cheese crepe, and it has marinara on it. And this is our mushroom, tomato, and pesto crepe pizza. Thank you so much. This is Festa Coffee, and we will see you the next time around showing you how to make crepes.